We're gonna talk about one-pot meals for less than $10 for your entire family.
Really?
That's right, done right on our countertop.
Okay.
5-pound chicken. We have plenty of room in there for all the fixins.
I'm gonna help you out here.
Please do. So let me get this beautiful, oh, is that the most beautiful chicken?
Yeah, it's pretty gorgeous.
So I'm gonna get the fixins out just to show you how much food fits in our 6-quart pot. But we have to cut the chicken.
Yeah.
You see that? That is tender and juicy and delicious. Look at this, it's dripping. Look at that, it actually drips. I mean, have you ever seen a more juicy chicken breast than that? All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut you that piece, is for you.
Melts in my mouth.
The PowerXL Combo 12-in-1. Now, here's your hosts, Eric Thies and Denise Repko.
This is a restaurant on your counter. And remember, the measure of a great air fryer is fried chicken, right?
You know I'm picky about my fried chicken.
I know you are. So we're gonna do a test to show why cooking with superheated cyclonic air can save you 70% of fat from calories. So I went to a fast food store and I got, you know, a very popular brand of fried chicken.
I know it well.
All right, I'm gonna take a piece of ours and a piece of theirs. We're gonna take the paper towel and we're gonna pat it down.
Oh.
Now, look at what it's like when you fry traditionally. We dropped ours in a vat of air. Look at that. So you pick your favorite piece and let me know if that skin is crispy and crunchy.
I'm going for the crispiest looking piece. Let's see.
Oh.
Well, it sounds crispy, my friend.
Come on, come on.
You nailed it.
Yes. Now I'm gonna take you to the fanciest steakhouse right here on our countertop.
Look at the grill marks on there.
Look how beautiful they are. They're sizzling. Oh man, they look so good. So I air fried them and then I grilled them. We got these amazing grill marks because of our beautiful grill plate underneath there.
And there is no smoke in this room. I love this.
These are monster strip steaks though. Now let's take a look at our steakhouse quality steaks. Oh, look at that.
Word.
I think they are perfect. The steak is cooked beautifully all the way through. Here,
It's
I'm
my
gonna cut
favorite.
this for you right here.
Awesome.
Right there, there you
Yum,
go.
yum, yum.
They're charred just perfectly. Oh man.
Tender. Melt in my mouth. Delicious, delicious flavors.
Doesn't it taste like we did it outside on our outdoor grill?
It does, but we didn't have to go out in the heat.
And look, you see any smoke?
Nope.
Now I have some fries to show you. And I'm gonna show you the capacity that we have, which no other air fryer can boast. Now listen.
They sound crispy.
It's like ringing the French fry bell,
Oh, run away,
baby.
fry.
The cleanup is an absolute joke. All right, you let me know if you're missing out on any flavor.
Best crispy fry I ever had.
We have so many more functions that we can do. It's 12-in-1. I haven't even gotten started yet. We're gonna talk about one-pot meals for less than $10 for your entire family.
Really?
That's right, done right on our countertop.
Okay.
5-pound chicken. We have plenty of room in there for all the fixins.
I'm gonna help you out here.
Please do. So let me get this beautiful, oh, is that the most beautiful chicken?
Yeah, pretty gorgeous.
So I'm gonna get the fixins out just to show you how much food fits in our 6-quart pot.
Oh my gosh.
But we have to cut the chicken.
Yeah.
You see that? That is tender and juicy
Oh my
and
gosh.
delicious. Look at this, it's dripping. Look at that, it actually drips. I mean, have you ever seen a more juicy chicken breast than that? All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut you that piece, is for you.
Go right in. Melts in my mouth.
That's right, and you know why? We have dual therm technology.
Dual
So
therm.
what does that mean? It means we cook from the top and we can also cook from below. So that means I can take off our air fryer lid and we're gonna do what I call mac and cheese from dry pasta.
And you're not gonna boil the noodles first.
No, ma'am, I am not. Now, if you could pour that in,
Okey-doke.
here, let's see if we can do it together.
Okay.
Look at this.
See, we're a good team.
Dueling mac and cheesers. Now, this is heavy cream. That was
Oh,
chicken
yeah.
stock. You pop that cheese in, and we're able to cook this without boiling water, without needing a strainer, without having to drain it, without having to do anything like that. I'm not even gonna stir it. But what I
Really?
am gonna do is press one button. When we come back, it's gonna look just like this. Look. What I want to do is I want to show off the nonstick.
Stop it, it's sliding right out.
Look at this. Here's my cleanup. That's it. I'm ready to cook again. I'm gonna put that right back in there. I want you to remember, we cooked this from dry. We did not boil that.
Oh my gosh.
What goes the best with mac and cheese?
More of this?
That, we're gonna do some ribs. So now I'm gonna take you to the best barbecue restaurant you've ever been to, right on the countertop.
You always do.
Do you smell that?
Yes.
Oh man. So, slow cooked ribs are amazing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to take it to the next level.
What in the
All right,
world is this?
This is a professional mop. We're gonna put a little extra barbecue sauce right on our ribs.
Wow.
I just put our air fryer lid on, and now I'm gonna make that barbecue sauce crispy. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna air fry them
Oh my gosh.
to perfection. So now we have the tender fall off the bone ribs, and we caramelize that barbecue sauce I put on at the last minute.
So you don't have to run it to the broiler or the oven. It's all in one pot.
So I hope you're ready, baby.
Ooh,
Look at this.
fantastic.
Ooh, this one wants to fall apart before I...
Already falling
Look at
off the
this.
bone.
Gorgeous. Now what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna finish this off with a little chopped onion.
Pretty.
I love chopped onion on my ribs. And just pretty it up with a little fresh herb to make it nice and bright.
Nice.
Just look at the caramelization of these ribs. Look at that. They shine and shimmer, but yet they still fall apart like beauty.
A thing of beauty, for sure.
It is a thing of beauty. All right, you want a piece of that?
Oh, the flavor's amazing.
That's why I say we're going to the best barbecue restaurant right here on our countertop. You wouldn't mind
I will
helping me out?
certainly help you.
Because I know this is ready to fall apart. Look at this. I even have trouble. I'm even having trouble getting it out of the pot.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at this.
That's
This
incredible.
is the way you want your pulled pork. You want it to fall apart. I did it with just some stock
Good.
and a little bit of barbecue sauce.
Wow.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull it apart just to show you how amazing and how easy this is.
It's falling apart.
I did it in one pot with the touch of one button. So I'm just gonna hit it with a little extra barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna make little sliders.
Yeah.
So you just get a little bit of that pulled pork on these little slider rolls. The key here is we want meals under $10, and we're gonna
You're
cheese
doing-
them up, and then
There
we're
you
just
go.
gonna finish it with just a little extra barbecue sauce.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Oh, they're going right in my tummy.
Okay, we're doing
All right,
it.
ready? One for you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
one for me. Save some appetite.
All right.
What did I do?
Oh.
A boatload of golden, crunchy,
Tater
delicious
tots.
tater tots.
Oh.
All right, you're gonna help me make these?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, so if you could take the tomatoes and the scallions.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Just dump them?
Dump them, just
All right.
evenly distribute it.
A little bit. There we go. A little bit of this. Nice.
All right, so we're gonna build our tachos using pulled pork. So if you could do the cheese.
Okay. Evenly again, just a little bit of everywhere. Fantastic.
Now we're gonna do bacon. So that's tachos, but now what we can do is we're gonna use our air frying technology, and we're gonna come back to that in just a few minutes. Now we're gonna make burgers. Amazing grill marks. Look, they're still bubbling and they're bursting with flavor. You can see the juices spilling out.
So you don't really love, because it's a smokeless grill, you're grilling, but you're not getting all that smoke in your house either.
These are so juicy.
They really are.
So we're gonna get one for you.
Can I help you?
Sure.
Here.
One for me. We are going to top our burgers with pulled pork. I like relish on top of this.
Ooh.
Look at that. Oh. And now we're gonna hit that with a little barbecue sauce, relish, pulled pork, perfectly grilled
Beautiful.
burgers. You ready?
I think so.
Behold the tacho.
Oh, the tacho.
Oh man, look at how amazing
Oh,
this is.
please, my friend.
And then I want you to, seriously? Look at this. All right, there's so much food in here, I have to dump it out.
Woo.
All right, remember, it's cheese. It's perfectly air fried tater tots. Tomatoes, bacon. Oh man, look at this.
I'm hoping for a runaway tater tot.
Now, you see this?
Yeah.
You know how much food we had in here? This was cheese. We air fried in it. And just like that, we're ready to go. This goes right in the dishwasher. Cleanup is a joke, as always. So we're just gonna put a little ranch dressing on here. Look at the amount of food I have here. Come on, guys, come on in. There's plenty for everybody.
Come on, crew.
Come on in, everybody. Crew call. Now that's a crew call. We're getting ready to make a 24 egg, yes, 24 egg frittata. So what I like to do is I like to add the potatoes to the frittata. Now 24 eggs, some cream.
Oh, okay.
Now look how thick this is.
Oh, baby.
And guess what? It's gonna get even fluffier when I air fry it. I always like to make everything healthy. And then I'm gonna top it with cheese, of course, because what's a frittata without cheese? I cooked from the bottom.
Right.
Now I'm gonna cook it from the top. That's our dual therm technology. Plus, I'm gonna show you how cleanup is an absolute joke because I have one done right here. So I gotta get it out of here. So I'm gonna pop this out. It's actually gonna jump right out of this pan.
All right. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Cleanup is an absolute joke. Is that ridiculous? This is enough frittata for an entire army.
Yeah, it is.
Or a giant family. So we're gonna serve this up on a pretty salad. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. So,
Oh, doesn't that look beautiful?
yes, it does. Tasting with me?
I'm going in.
I love the fluffiness. Creamy.
One touch, one button. Right on our countertop.
So good. I'm ready for dessert, though.
I kind of have French toast waiting for you.
Stop it.
Didn't I tell you it would be like magic? It's literally like magic. Now we're gonna take the pot out, and again, I'm gonna kind of show off the nonstick.
Oh my gosh, I always love this.
French toast made with cinnamon sticky buns. Look at the cleanup. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it up into individual portions. So let me make you a plate. Here we go. So that's one for you. I'm just gonna put this here.
Go for it. A little drizzle.
We're gonna put some strawberries on
Ooh.
it, like this. We're gonna put some syrup on that.
Oh, yes, sir.
And then, here we go.
Ooh.
I love these refrigerator biscuits. Turning them into French toast is one of the most fun things you're ever gonna do in the morning.
So good, bud.
We're America's #1 indoor grill,
Right.
so you know that you can get perfect, beautiful grill marks. Look
Wow.
at that. It's gonna be tender and juicy and unbelievable.
That's gorgeous.
Look at that. These are giant. I got 4 giant pork chops in here. So we're just gonna finish this up with just a pretty little tomato salad, like that.
Great.
And that's all you need because that pork chop speaks for itself, don't you think?
Yeah.
But when we have a big meal, we always wanna have a little sweet, right?
Of course.
Okay, so here's what we did. Behold the cookie. This is a little cookie pan. Now you guys, I cooled this for about an hour. Remember, it's always gonna be hot, so cool it down.
Of course.
And then it just pops out like that.
Oh, my.
I made a giant chocolate chip cookie
Yes,
ice cream
you
bar.
did.
First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little chocolate sauce on it. And then I take my other cookie,
Oh, my.
put it right on top.
Look at that.
And then we get to roll it like this. There you go.
Oh, that's amazing.
Cheat away, baby.
Oh, man, Eric.
So right now, I'm gonna take you to the drive-thru
Cool.
because we're gonna get some breakfast sandwiches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put eggs down. I have about 12 eggs in there.
Okay.
Then I take some ham. You could use bacon, pepperoni, sausage.
Sausage, whatever.
Yeah,
right?
whatever you like.
Customized.
Or you don't have to put meat. You
True.
can put onions. Now we're gonna put a bunch of cheese because I like cheese on everything.
Everything's better with cheese.
Right. All right, now here comes the fun part. So now I take these English muffins and I just literally drop them right into the egg.
Okay.
Now the egg is gonna fluff up as it cooks. It's gonna surround these, and I'm gonna show you how to turn them into sandwiches all at one time. So I'm just gonna set it to air fry, and then with the touch of a button, I hit start.
I love
We're gonna
that.
air fry those sandwiches. Remember, I poured the egg in, and then I put the sandwiches right on top.
Ooh, yes.
I cooked the sandwiches in the egg. That's why it's easy to make all these sandwiches all at once.
Perfect.
But we're not done yet.
Oh, my gosh.
There's our cleanup, you guys. Do I even have to wipe it out? I don't think so.
Oh.
Now, this is how you make 9 egg sandwiches all at one time. Now, all we do is this.
Oh,
One
Voila.
sandwich for you, one sandwich for me.
all right,
All right, let's go. All right, Denise, I know you're into that sandwich, but we have an American classic coming right up. So I had some leftover chicken. You just pop it right in like that.
No oil needed?
No oil needed.
Okay.
Now I have chopped potatoes. Now, it's always nice to have some frozen veggies just in case you can't run out to the store.
Oh, these are kind of staples, right?
Absolutely. This too, condensed soup. So now I'm gonna pour this guy in. we're gonna use 2 cans of really large condensed soup. So you see how easy that is so far?
Oh gosh, yeah.
All right. Now, I'm just gonna give it a quick little stir. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on simmer. If you can touch a button, you can use this unit. So we're gonna simmer that for 30 minutes. I happen to have one already simmering. Now, look how great that looks. It's bubbly. I love the color even. It looks great. Now we're gonna take my favorite refrigerator biscuit doughs. We're just gonna pop those open. And if you could help me,
sure.
Let's pop those on. We're gonna air fry from the top.
Perfect.
So I took my glass lid off, put my air fry lid on. I'm just gonna come over here, and now I simply hit start. We're gonna air fry it, and guess what? In just minutes, it's like magic.
I know it is.
Ready for this? Look at this.
Oh, please.
Oh, look at that. It's steamy, and then we have that beautiful biscuit on top. It's almost too pretty to eat.
Almost too pretty to eat, my friend. All right, it's a little hot.
I have at least another 4 or 5 portions in there. What do you think?
I think the biscuit is delicious.
You like fried rice?
I sure do.
So to make the fried rice, I sauteed my shrimp and my peppers and my onions and all of the ingredients. I can also cook from the bottom, and that means I can sear and saute just like you would if you had a wok. Now I'm gonna make a little hole in the middle, and I'm gonna pour my eggs.
Oh.
And once that sets up, you just incorporate it into the rest of the rice. All right, this is looking really good. So now we're gonna add the other ingredients, a little soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
And a little oyster sauce. Then we're gonna add some scallions.
Oh, beautiful.
But I'm gonna save some for the end.
To make it look prettier.
Look at that. And just like that, we have our fried rice. So, look how beautiful our rice is.
Really?
We're gonna finish it up just to make it look extra pretty. And then we have chopsticks like this.
Oh, wow.
I mean, we did that on our countertop.
Yeah.
We didn't have to pick up the phone. We saved a ton of money. We did it in one pot. Cleanup's gonna be an absolute joke. Now I'm taking you to the beach. So what I did here is I made a gorgeous, we call it a waterman's feast. We have 6 quarts of corn and clams and mussels
Woo. Oh
and
my
sausage
gosh. Oh
and
my
shrimp. Lemon and butter and spices.
Run away, run away.
That is a feast right there. This is melted butter and lemon.
Ooh.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hit it with some fresh herbs. Get a napkin and go right in and just help yourself. It's fresh, it's like the sea.
Oh, that's so good.
But you know what I haven't made for you yet? An appetizer.
Is that a fried onion?
It is. This is my version of the bloomin' onion.
Okay.
Now, normally what they do is they bread the onion and then they drop it in a vat of oil.
Right.
This was done with air instead of oil. We fried it with air, so you're gonna save up to 70% of calories from fat. Now look how beautiful that is. So we're gonna have something delicious. We're gonna save the calories from the fat, and we are gonna enjoy our appetizer together.
Ooh, let's take a bite.
Let's take a try.
Getting in, getting
Yeah,
in.
let's do it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I love these. Such a fun appetizer to put out, you know? Especially when you air fry it. That was so much fun, wasn't it?
So good.
You know, even though we're at home now, we can't go to the restaurants like normal. Now we have a restaurant right on our countertop. We have 12-in-1. We can grill, we can air fry, and so much more. And no guesswork, just one touch easy. Thanks for watching.